So pipe repair. So looks like, as you can see, the layer of tarmac, then a sub base layer, straight onto cobbles. These cobbles are very thick pieces of rock. And then it's on some more thin layer granular material, then it's straight onto the clay. That might be a piece of coal there, maybe it's tarmac. So they were wearing gloves during the repair, and that's a cast iron pipe, it looks like, and they've repaired it. Yeah, so this is the piece of rock. Pretty cool. Here's another one. It's like it's been hand chipped. So there's some good history in these roads.